Hello friends, welcome to my channel SK Aquaspace. Today I am going to show you how to prepare driftwood that you can use in your fish tank. So the first thing that we have to do is selecting a small dried branch. So what I have done is I have selected two guava branch which is dried properly, and if you don't find a dried branch, what you can do is you can dry it for 7 to 10 days, and then you can continue using this process. And one thing what you have to do is, while selecting the branch, you have to see that it is little bit heavier. Okay. And in aquarium shop you can get driftwood, but you never know what sort of chemical substance is used in it, so I prefer making it in my own way. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to take a big bucket of water, and then you have to dip it in the water for several days. It might take 7 days, or it might take even more than 7 days. So this is done because there are a lot of harmful substance in these branches. There are resins, so if we dip in water, it will be removed, and it will be safe for the fish in your fish tank. And also we have to dip it in water to make it to make sure that a lot of water is absorbed in this wood, and when we put it in the aquarium it doesn't pop out. So I will show you when will you know that the driftwood is ready to be used in this aquarium. So I am taking this wood. Okay. So when I put it in water, you will see that it pops out. So this driftwood is not yet ready. But in this case, see, I am taking this and I am putting this inside the water. It is not popping out. So this driftwood is ready to be used in the aquarium. But you can see properly. See, this driftwood is not ready. It will pop out. See, it is popping out. See, it is popping out. So what I will do is I will take this driftwood because it is ready, and I will keep it immersed in water for some more days, so that it is also ready to be used. And then what I will do is uh, I will take this and boil it in water. Okay. And because there are microorganisms which is harmful for the fish, so I'll boil it in water. And if it is bigger, if it is not easier for you to boil, what you can do is alternately you can pour boiling water and cold water in it. So this will help in killing the microorganisms. This process you should always do. Okay. And the next thing is you have to take a sandpaper and a knife. Okay. With the sandpaper you remove all the see here there are little bit of substance which I will remove with a knife. Okay. And also use a sandpaper uh, to uh, um, to rough out the sharp edges. Okay. You have to, because otherwise your fish may get hurt from these rough edges. So take a sandpaper and then rub it. Okay. This process you should always follow, and then it will be ready to be used.